Greetings, everyone. We understand that health is a paramount concern for many of you. Today, we'll shed light on a simple yet potent health ally that might just be sitting in your pantry: pumpkin seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with nutrients and offer numerous health benefits, especially for men. But remember, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional for medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Our aim is to give you a comprehensive understanding of the health benefits of pumpkin seeds, from their nutritional facts to their impact on prostate health, heart health, blood sugar levels, and bone health. We will cover it all. So buckle up and join us on this enlightening journey about the wonders of pumpkin seeds. Let's dive into the world of health and wellness, one seed at a time. Pumpkin seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients. These small, crunchy kernels are loaded with a variety of essential nutrients that play a key role in maintaining our overall health. Let's start with proteins. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of plant-based protein. Every ounce of these seeds provides around 7 grams of this vital nutrient. Protein is essential for building and repairing body tissues, and it also plays a crucial role in the production of enzymes and hormones. Moving on, pumpkin seeds are rich in dietary fiber. An ounce of these seeds offers roughly 1.7 grams of fiber. Fiber aids in digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight, and can lower the risk of developing chronic conditions like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Now let's talk about vitamins. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of vitamin K, and they also contain some B vitamins. Vitamin K is important for blood clotting and bone health, while B vitamins help convert our food into energy. Pumpkin seeds are also packed with a variety of minerals. They are particularly rich in magnesium, an essential mineral that is required for more than 300 biochemical reactions in the body. Magnesium maintains normal nerve and muscle function, supports a healthy immune system, keeps the heartbeat steady, and helps bones remain strong. Furthermore, these little seeds are a great source of zinc. This mineral supports immune function, contributes to cell growth and division, and aids in the breakdown of carbohydrates. And let's not forget the healthy fats. Pumpkin seeds are high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. These are just a few examples of the nutritional content of pumpkin seeds. They also contain antioxidants, which help protect the body against damage from harmful free radicals. That's a lot of goodness packed in these tiny seeds, isn't it? The nutritional profile of pumpkin seeds makes them an excellent addition to your diet. Whether you're snacking on them straight from the bag or adding them to your favorite recipes, you're giving your body a healthful boost with every bite. Men, lend us your ears. Pumpkin seeds have something special for you. Pumpkin seeds, those little powerhouses of nutrition, have been linked to a multitude of health benefits. But today, let's dive into their significance for prostate health. The prostate, a small gland found only in men, can unfortunately become a source of major health issues as men age. But fear not, gentlemen. Here enters the humble pumpkin seed to your rescue. Pumpkin seeds are packed with a nutrient called beta-sitosterol. According to a study published in the Journal of Human Nutrition and Dietetics, beta-sitosterol has been associated with improved urinary symptoms and flow measures. It's like a plumber for your prostate, keeping things flowing smoothly. But it doesn't stop there. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in antioxidants, which are like your body's own personal bodyguards, protecting your cells from harmful free radicals. A study in Nutrition and Cancer found that these antioxidants might be particularly beneficial for the prostate, potentially reducing the risk of prostate cancer. Moreover, the high zinc content in pumpkin seeds deserves a special mention. Zinc is crucial for prostate health, and guess what? The prostate has the highest concentration of zinc in the body, which is why a zinc deficiency can lead to prostate issues. So, topping up your zinc levels with pumpkin seeds seems like a smart move, doesn't it? Of course, it's important to remember that while pumpkin seeds are beneficial, they're not a magic bullet for prostate health. Regular checkups, a balanced diet, and a healthy lifestyle are all crucial. But adding a handful of pumpkin seeds into your daily diet, that can certainly be one of the many steps towards a healthier prostate. As always, do consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have a pre-existing medical condition. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding how certain foods like pumpkin seeds can support your health is a tool in your arsenal. Now that's a seed of thought for your prostate health. Pumpkin seeds can also be your heart's best friend. Now, let's delve into the heart of the matter. See what I did there? All jests aside, pumpkin seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients which can significantly contribute to your heart health. Let's discuss how. First off, pumpkin seeds are chock full of antioxidants. These little warriors fight off free radicals in your body, reducing oxidative stress. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that antioxidant-rich pumpkin seeds can protect your heart from damaging effects of free radicals. Next up, we have the dynamic duo of magnesium and fiber. Magnesium is a mineral that your heart absolutely loves. It helps maintain a healthy heartbeat and prevents abnormal blood clotting. Now guess what? 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds provides nearly half the daily recommended amount of magnesium. That's quite a punch for such tiny seeds, isn't it? On the other hand, fiber is known for its cholesterol-lowering properties. High levels of LDL or bad cholesterol can lead to atherosclerosis, a condition where fatty deposits build up in your arteries, increasing your risk of heart disease. By adding fiber to your diet, you can help reduce these LDL levels, and pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of it. Lastly, let's not forget about omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats have been linked with a lower risk of heart disease. They can reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease triglyceride levels, and yes, you guessed it right, pumpkin seeds are a good source of plant-based omega-3s. All these benefits are backed by science. But remember, moderation is key. Pumpkin seeds are high in calories, so it's best to incorporate them into the balanced diet. As fascinating as this may sound, it's always wise to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have existing heart conditions. So for a healthy heart, remember to munch on some pumpkin seeds. Worried about your blood sugar levels? Pumpkin seeds might be just what you need. It's no secret that managing blood sugar levels is crucial for our overall health, especially for those dealing with diabetes. But did you know that these humble seeds could play a significant role in this battle? You see, pumpkin seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients that have been linked to improved blood sugar regulation. They are rich in dietary fiber, a nutrient known to slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, thereby preventing sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. Moreover, these seeds house an impressive array of antioxidants like vitamin E, which may help combat oxidative stress associated with diabetes. Oxidative stress, for those who are unfamiliar with the term, is an imbalance between the body's production of harmful free radicals and its ability to counteract their effects. But that's not all. Pumpkin seeds are also packed with magnesium, a mineral that plays a vital role in the body's process of breaking down sugars. Research has suggested that individuals with higher magnesium intake may have a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Now, you might be wondering, how can you incorporate pumpkin seeds into your diet? Well, they are incredibly versatile. You can snack on them raw or roasted, sprinkle them on your salads or cereals, or even blend them into your smoothies. It's important to remember that while pumpkin seeds can contribute to a balanced diet and help manage blood sugar levels, they are not a cure-all. They should be consumed in conjunction with a healthy, balanced diet, regular exercise, and under the guidance of a healthcare professional, especially if you have an existing medical condition. So there you have it. These tiny seeds are not just a tasty snack, but also a potential ally in your journey towards better blood sugar control. Remember, every little step counts when it comes to managing our health. Pumpkin seeds, the tiny warriors fighting for your blood sugar balance. Bones, the pillars of our body, also benefit from pumpkin seeds. Now, let's dive into how these tiny powerhouses contribute to better bone health. First off, pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, a mineral that's crucial for the structure and strength of our bones. Did you know that about 60% of the magnesium in our bodies is found in our bones? Yes, it's that important. Now, let's bring some science into the mix. Numerous studies have shown a positive correlation between magnesium intake and bone health. For instance, a research published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society found that higher magnesium intake was linked to a higher bone density in older adults. Another study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition discovered that post-menopausal women who consumed more magnesium had a slower rate of bone loss. This is particularly significant because as we age, our bone density tends to decrease, making us more susceptible to fractures and bone diseases like osteoporosis. But that's not all. Magnesium also plays a key role in the regulation of calcium and vitamin D levels in our bodies, both of which are vital for bone health. It aids in the absorption of calcium into the bones and helps convert vitamin D into its active form, which further enhances calcium absorption. So, by eating pumpkin seeds, you're not only getting a good dose of magnesium, but you're also indirectly supporting the functions of calcium and vitamin D in your body. A triple win for your bones, wouldn't you say? And the best part, pumpkin seeds are incredibly versatile. You can snack on them raw or roasted, sprinkle them on your salads or yogurt, or even blend them into your smoothies. However, remember to consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or supplement regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. For strong bones, consider adding pumpkin seeds to your diet. And while you're at it, why not explore the other health benefits these seeds have to offer? After all, every little step towards a healthier life counts. Well, that's a lot to digest, isn't it? We've journeyed through the world of pumpkin seeds and their impressive health benefits, from their rich nutritional profile, their positive effects on prostate and heart health, their role in maintaining blood sugar levels, to their contribution to bone health. It's clear that these tiny seeds pack a powerful punch. So, gentlemen, why not give pumpkin seeds a try? Incorporate them into your diet and see how they can help boost your health. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and loved ones. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more healthful insights. And remember, our channel is affiliated with selling high-quality men's health supplements. These supplements are made in the USA from 100% natural ingredients. If you're interested, check the link in our profile and the pinned comment. Thanks for watching.